In this line of work, we go through a lot of hoses, and being able to fix one, especially, they're expensive now. This hose was brand new, 2 hours old, got ran over, $50, $45 hose. Hoses are expensive now. You go through a lot of them in this business. So being able to fix one quick and easy, hey. All right, that's what we're rolling with here. Busted. So, same as before, grab some scissors. Try to get a good clean cut. All right, so gotten the bad part out. The clamp style hose mender. Just slide the clamps on the one side like that. Oh, see, this one, this is a nicer hose, a thicker hose, it's not as old. It went right up on there that easy. You take your other end, work it on there. It'll look like this. Then slide them into place like that. Then you'll simply gonna tighten them up. You gotta make sure they're staying in the groove. Once they're good and tight, it'll look like that. And that's how you do it. And if you're worried about the metal dragging up against something, hitting a window, hitting your car or whatever, depending on where it is in the line, take some electrical tape, wrap it around there. Oh man, that's beautiful. And that's how a clamp style hose mender. Oh, and another thing, if it's leaking all over the handle, look, you can get one of these, it's just a couple bucks. Look at all them doodads. Because if you put the doodad down in the thing, if that doodad goes bad, that one goes bad, you just put another one of these washer kits in. Put them in there, put it in there.